Hey guys, few important components in a cell phone decides the value of a phone. Display, battery, camera, processor, and the build quality are the important ones. Today, we will do in-depth analysis on the mobile phone display and understand if these resolutions are of any difference to human eyes. Once you watch this entire video, it will break a lot of your myths. And as we progress, we will also try to show you an individual pixel of this display, which from your naked eye, you cannot see it. We have used a specialized lens for doing that, so you stay tuned. We will be considering Samsung S20 to demo if various screen resolution makes any difference to user experience. Let's get to the bottom. Android phones nowadays allow users to change the display resolution. In this case, we have three options: 720, 1080, and 1440. iPhone 11 series has a screen resolution of 1080 and that's consistent, they don't let you change it. If we multiply the horizontal with vertical pixel, it gives you the count of pixel that will light up on a display. So an HD resolution of about 6-inch screen will light up around 1.6 million pixel. A full HD would go up about 2.4 million and a QHD will light up around 3.2 million pixels. As you can see, the QHD display lights double the amount of pixels in the display, and hence it is very logical to say that power consumed for QHD display is almost double the HD display. Now that you have a brief idea about these resolution, let's understand if they make any impression to human eyes. Experts believe that the naked eye with regular vision can only see objects as small as 0.1 millimeters. When you look at these displays, you cannot see individual pixels. That is because the pixel size of these displays is as small as 118 micrometers. That is 1000 times smaller than what a human eye can see. Here are some macro photos taken of these displays in different resolution. If they are not zoomed in, you cannot make out any difference. However, post zooming in 5 times, you should be able to see the pixels. There is a very small noticeable difference between all these resolutions. However, it is evident that sharpness of QHD resolution is better than HD, but they're only noticeable after zooming in 5 times. We also carried out another test by taking the screenshot of the same picture at different resolutions. You see, at 100% resolution, there is no difference. However, the moment you zoom in, it starts showing the difference. So guys, in this race of resolution, on papers probably it will make some difference, but to a human eye, it's just a marketing gimmick. A full HD display of about 6-inch is more than enough for a human eye. Anything beyond that would probably need a bigger screen. So these were the key insights on the display. In my following videos, I'll be also talking about other key components about mobile phones. So please consider subscribing to my channel. Till then, have a great one.